Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. This has been out for a while. I'm sure a lot of you guys have probably already tried it, but they sent it to me and I really wanted the chance to be able to try it for myself. So it says that this is a full coverage concealer that hides it all from dark circles to like redness, whatever. I do have a little bit of dark circles under my eyes, as you can see right now. It's supposed to hide blemishes. I have a blemish right there, but it's supposed to feel lightweight and it's not supposed to cake or crack. It also says it's waterproof and it's supposed to last for 24 hours. So we're going to try it out and see if it covers like it says it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I love that it looks like a little pencil. It looks so cute. It's got like a little eraser. This is Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. Now they sent me 3 shades, but I tested them all and number 3 is my shade because it is a light neutral. And it's got this kind of applicator, which is my favorite kind of applicator. So I'm just going to put a little bit under here. Don't put too much over there. And I'm going to dot it right there and right there over those blemishes. Do have a little blemish there, a little extra redness right there, and right there. Okay, so I'm just going to take my finger and tap it in over these parts because it's, you know, kind of just a little small. Okay. Covered it well. Wow. I'm just literally tapping over it and then tapping over the edges to like blend it. Okay. Where did my blemishes go? They like literally disappeared. Okay. I know you're supposed to use your ring finger for this, but I'm a rebel. I'm going lightly. And I'm just kind of pressing it into my skin. It's going in really well. I'm getting right tight up under there so that when I put my concealer on, my eyeshadow, it'll look, you know, good. Going up my nose a little bit. Wow, that really did. I might have even been able to use a little bit of a lighter shade, but I always put my foundation over this anyways. So it's not going to matter too much. And listen, I gotta say, this is really nice. Looks so good that I might just make this like my new favorite concealer. I'm not even joking. The fact that it's waterproof too, and that it's supposed to last 24 hours, like who doesn't want that? Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'm going to come back and show you what it all looks like and tell you how it holds up under the makeup. Okay, you guys, this is with makeup on over top of the concealer and this is what it looks like. It's held up really well. It has not creased. My makeup is not creased underneath my eyes. I'm going to pull down. Like usually right in here, I have a crease, a natural crease in my eye, and it always creases really bad right there. I did not set this with any setting powder, and I think this might be my new favorite concealer. Hope you guys will check it out. I'll put a link in the description box down below for you guys to be able to click on it and be able to purchase it. Put the link to Benefits on there and then also Sephora because you can get it from Sephora. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!